Okay, I'm going to do something a little different for the peg. I am going to use a different tool. I could do it the same way I did the spacer, but I get bored doing the same thing over and over again. So we're going to try doing the peg using the revolve tool. So I start my 2D sketch, and I am going to do a rough outline of what a section of the peg would look like. And obviously I kind of messed up some of that stuff, so I'm going to use my constraints. I use parallel to make that parallel, and I'll go ahead and this should be parallel, so that sort of fixes that stuff up. And then now I need to dimension it, and the whole height of the peg is a total of 1/4 plus 1 1/4 plus 3/8. And so that gives me the right height. And then the top part of it is 5/16 for the diameter. But I am going to only need to put in the radius. So I do 5/16 divide by 2. And then the top circle is 5/8 for the diameter from here to here. So I'm going to do 5/8 divide by 2. And that was too soon for that dimension because you had to do that cross. So I'm going to undo it and go down here and do this bottom dimension here first. And the bottom one is 5/16 divided by 2. And then I'm going to do this top one now. And that was 5/8 divided by 2. And there is a section of it. And then I hit finish and revolve that shape around that axis. And I want to do full 360 revolve. And there is my spacer, but that actually doesn't look quite right. And that's because I messed this part up right here, which you were probably noticing and screaming at me. So I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to do this right. And okay, that's just not working for me. So I'm going to delete that, and make it one line. Make sure you get your green dot so it's a closed shape. Alright, and now I'm going to go back and dimension it. And so from that one we already dimensioned. So from here to here, that bottom hole is a diameter of 3/8. So that's parentheses 3 divided by 8 divided by 2. And then once again doing the top one yet one more time is going to be 5 divided by 8 divided by 2. Alright, now it looks right. Okay, so final thing I'm going to do is my fillets, and I'm going to keep it to 1/16, and we're going to fillet. So it has nice rounded edges, and then we pick our tools, and I am choosing to do mine. I like denim blue, so make it look like denim, and then of course save as peg, and there you go.